Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have some happy mail from a place called Knit Circus. You guys may or may not remember that I was in Wisconsin a little over a week ago, and this was a store in Wisconsin that I wasn't able to make it to, but then I saw that they had an online store, so I had to check it out, and I found some things and I thought I'd share. So this is how it came, and I haven't even really opened it yet. I just opened the box and I saw how cute it was, and I thought, oh, I don't want to wait, but I need to, because I need to do it on video. So you're welcome. No, but I really hope that you check it out. Knit Circus. So it has these little things in it that I always try to either use them in something else or I destroy them like this. Okay, what did I get? Oh my goodness. Cute little sticker on here. See how it's like little balls of yarn. Oh yeah. Oh yay. Okay, so I ordered this. It is just a little something to put on my bag, and it's the Kitchener stitch. So here is Knit Circus. It's their little logo. How cute is that? And it's made of wood. And then on this side it's the Kitchener stitch, so I'll have it with me and I won't forget how to do it. So that's kind of cool. And then I got these, which are just like row holders. I needed one when I was working on my mittens. You might need them on some socks. Anything that you have to hold stitches for some reason. Like you might need them like for the heel flap of a sock. I'm not exactly sure, but these were very inexpensive, $3. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead and order them since I was paying for shipping anyway. I thought, why not add them to it? Goodness. It's so funny to me how they make something so secure. Like, I had to open a Barbie. It's been a while now, but I couldn't believe how they put Barbies in the little container. It's like they sew their hair in. It's unreal. But these are like just big safety pins, and you just and they're not sharp, they're dull, but you just open it and then you can just close it. And they have different sizes for different projects, and so I'm excited about those. Very nice. And this, if you guys have heard of Ann Budd, this is from her. This is a handy gauge ruler, and I haven't ever used it, but it says, move the ruler across your knitting until the images of the stitches on the ruler match the stitches in your knitting to get a rough determination of your stitch gauge. If you need more stitches per inch, swatch with smaller needles. If you need fewer stitches per inch, swatch with larger needles. For the most accurate measurements, measure the number of stitches over 4 inches of knitting. So, you know, it tells you to do your gauge, but then this helps you measure them. So I'm kind of excited about that. I have not ever seen this, and I haven't yet done a gauge, but I hope to do one soon. I have a project in mind that I'm going to. And then I got another one of these just because I think these are so handy. It's just a crochet hook on one side, and then on the other side is just a point, and it's called a handy tool, literally. And it says quickly picked up drop stitches, instant cable needle for knitting, effortlessly turn a collar point for sewing. It's just super handy. Crochet hook on one end and a knitting needle size 3 on the other, with a finger flat in the middle. So yeah, $1.60. I mean, these are super cheap, but it's a great thing to have. Now this is the creme de la creme, and this is by Heidi and Lena, Yarns, Patterns, Accessories. And it is a bracelet that holds stitch markers. And it has the little lamb here on the side, the Heidi and Lena lamb. Oh my gosh. And it's just a bracelet that you can just keep on you. And when you need a stitch marker, you will have them. I think it's very handy. You can even put it on your bag if you don't want to wear it. But how cute is that? I'm a little nervous to try it on because I have huge wrists. So here goes. If it doesn't fit me, I'm telling myself I can put it on my bag, right? Right. And I might need a bracelet holder. I think it's going to fit me though, guys. Oh, and this is a progress marker. The little lamb is a progress marker. So it has a lobster claw on that too. So I can't do it without some help because I'm not coordinated enough. But this is totally going to fit me. I can totally wear this. Oh, I'm excited. That makes me happy. So, yay! So that's what I got from Circus Knits. Thought you might like to check it out too. See how that is a progress keeper? I can totally take that lobster claw off if I wanted to and use that. They did have different colors of stitch markers. You could pick whatever you wanted. I picked the sage green only because they were out of the pink one that I liked. This was my second favorite. They even had gold or silver as your choice of metals. So very cool. I hope that you guys check it out. And I will try to remember to leave the link down below, but it's Circus Knits, and it is in Wisconsin. So thanks so much, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.